Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shula. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. In this channel we have videos on home decor, home organization, lifestyle, vlogs. If that is something you're interested in watching, please do not forget to hit the like button, and also do not forget to hit that subscribe button so that you get notified when I upload new videos. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you how I DIY'd my accent wall. I'm going to be sharing with you some of the things I use. I'm going to be sharing with you how to peel and stick wallpaper on the wall. So the things you need to consider when you want to do wallpaper on the wall, your wall plays a really important role. So if you have a rough textured wall like mine, you need a thicker wallpaper. So throughout the rest of the video, I am going to be sharing with you what I use to achieve that look, the look of my accent wall. But I would like to share with you this wallpaper. It's called Easy Liner that I got from Walmart. It was only $7, so I got one in a darker shade and one in a lighter, I think it's oak. And then I got this one, I'm gonna put the name in the description. This I got from Amazon. So it was, I think, $36 for this one. Another tools you will be needing for this project, it's gonna be a blow dryer, and I'm gonna show you why and when I used a blow dryer. So when it gets wrinkled, you will need to use a blow dryer to kind of straighten that out. Also, you will be needing this smoothing kit. So I got this from Amazon. This is just something sharp to kind of cut through the wall paper, and this is just to smoothen the wall, wallpaper. Throughout the process, you also see me using my hands to kind of feel through the wallpaper. So enough talking, let's get to Hello again everyone. So to place this wallpaper, I am going to get it as high as possible so that when I'm cutting the excess off, it just flows effortlessly with the rest of the wall. So I'm going to be using my hand to kind of smoothen the wallpaper on the wall because my wall is really rough. So I'll be using both the smoothing stuff and also my hand to work my way down the wallpaper as I progress. So putting wallpaper is not as easy as this looks. It's pretty challenging because you would find out that you would probably have some bubbles that you have to smoothen them to the wall. As you can see right there, I have that outlet right there. I already went ahead and removed the cover. So I'm just gonna lay this wallpaper over it and then cut around it. If you've watched my previous video where I did my kitchen backsplash, you would see how I went ahead and removed that socket cover. Yeah, like I was saying, the first piece of the wallpaper is always the easiest. I think for me this one was the easiest. It was just putting the second one that you have to match the flowers that I have there or whatever that is together. So if you have like a plain wallpaper, that's okay, but if you have a wallpaper with patterns on it, you have to match them together so that they can look effortless, or they can look like it's one large wallpaper. So once you're done with everything all the way down the wall, you just go ahead and cut it real smoothly just to give that nice finish at the end. So I just want to apologize because I went ahead and put the second wallpaper. I thought I hit record on my camera, but I guess I forgot. So now I'm just going to go ahead and cut the excess wallpaper from up the wall, as you can see right now. So if you see me looking at the camera, it's just because I want to make sure it's recording, because I don't want to forget recording again. So right now I have the dark oak. I'm trying to put this on the wall. It's the easy liner I got from Walmart. So I'm just trying to figure out how I'm gonna make that work right there. So if you come across some wrinkles along the way on your wallpaper, don't worry. You could use a hair dryer to kind of smoothen those wrinkles off. If you're probably laughing at this my little bitty ruler right now, please don't laugh at me. I don't know where the longer ruler is because I just moved to this house. I'm still trying to figure out where certain stuff are, so I'm just gonna make this work. I got this wood panel from Wayfair and it was like $125. I really love this wood panel because it comes treated already. So it comes three of them for $125. So with this wood panel, it already has some wood glue behind it. So I'm just gonna attach it to the wall right there. And it's better if you hold it still for a little bit for the glue to stick. You would see how when I let go, the wood is gonna slide down a little bit. I also went ahead and used some real small tiny nails to kind of secure this wood in place. So guys, this is how my accent wall looks like. I really love it. I hope you like it too. Let me know in the comment area what you think about this accent wall. I would go ahead and show you how my entire house looks like in my next video. So make sure to click that like button and also the subscribe button. When you click the subscribe button, make sure to click that notification bell so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you for watching. Bye bye.